Welcome, and by the end of this video you will have an understanding of how to make your player do a simple jump using Unity and C#. For the best tips and tricks on game programming and game development, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos every Monday. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. It really means the world to me. Hi, my name is George Wulfers and I'm a professional game developer. Let me guide you on your game development journey to find out how you can get more free learning resources. Be sure to watch this video to the end. Step number 1. Modifying the movement controller script.
Okay, so let's navigate to where we have our movement controller script. If you don't know where that is, go to the assets root folder, go into wulfersgames folder, production, scripts, gameplay, player, and double click on movement controller. It should pop up in your editor of choice, whether you're using Mono or Visual Studio. To perform the jump, we're not going to need the max jump height anymore. We can delete that. We will need the jump speed. We will not need the jump start Y. And if we go into update where we do our inputs, we still want to jump a space, and we still want to make sure that we don't want to jump before we want to jump, and we want to make sure that we are grounded. This may be a redundancy since we can only jump when we are on the floor. So we may actually take this out at some point. Let's do that. Let's take that out for now. And actually no, because the way we have it set up is we want to set this to true, and then in our fixed update we want to do the actual calculation, which it's not going to be hard for the calculation. It's pretty easy actually. So we want to get the velocity that we have, and we want to add the force that to make us jump. Okay, so all we gotta do is we get the vector 3, and we gotta do vector 3.up. That will give us the vector pointing upwards times the jumping speed that we want to that your character has, right? And that will perform the proper physics going up and down. And we don't actually have to create a parabola, because this actually does, based on those inputs. So everything else can actually stay the same.
Alright, I hope this is making sense. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything you are struggling with. Step number 2, testing our new addition.
Okay, so now let's go and test that out. Let's go into Unity, let it compile, and let's go into the player, and let's set the jump to be 5. Not 54, 5. And let's hit play. And now we can see that we move as we should, and when we drop here, everything's working, and we just sent our guy flying what happened here? We forgot to do something. So once we actually jump, we want to not jump anymore. And that should fix that issue where we fly away into space. So let's go ahead, go here, and there we go. Now the actual velocity, you're gonna have to tweak that based on the game that you want to make. But that's probably too much, so let's do 7.5. Should be good. There we go. Let's see if we can jump. Yep, we can get over there. And if we try to spam that jump button, we don't jump too much, or you know. So there we go. It's coming pretty good. I like that jump better than what we had last time, actually. It was just a simple addition and multiplication. Alright.
Congratulations! Now you know how to add a simple jump to your player using Unity and C#. If you would like to follow along, I have provided a link to the project in the description below. Don't forget to also get our free guide where we explain in more detail what a movement controller is in the description below. And before you go, check out these other videos on how to make a 2D game using Unity. If you liked this video, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe and share this with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you guys next week. Have a great day and be safe.